In this video I'll show you how to store your Victorinox Swiss Army Knife in your wallet. You can keep the Victorinox pocket knife in your wallet. So actually you don't need to carry it separate, you don't need a separate pouch for it. You can really keep the pocket knife in your wallet. The condition is that it needs to be a bit of a thin one. So the one layer, the Victorinox Swiss Army knives that will fit in your wallet are the one layer. I'm not sure if it exists one layer. I think there is Bantam, I think. 2 layers and maximum 3 layers, I believe. Anything more than 3 layers, it gets a bit bulky. It needs to be thin. So you might think that you need to get the Swiss card to keep all the pocket knife tools in your wallet as a card, but actually your pocket knife will work. This is the Tinker, Victorinox Tinker, my first Victorinox pocket knife, and it's really basic. I mostly I use the small blade to open things up. Usually packages, I try not to use the large blade too much. I try to keep the large blade not used much, just keep it sharp. That's the Victorinox Tinker, but I actually have another pocket knife in the wallet here. I believe the best one for the wallet, to keep in your wallet like this, is the one I have inside the wallet right now. So if you can guess which one it is, let me know in the comment section below before we continue in the video. If not, let's watch it. So this is my wallet. It's a really bit not a great wallet, but you see, you can get a bit of a clue. Like here it's very thin, and then it's a bit of a thickness here. And yes, that's correct. That's where the pocket knife is, in this area. So let's see it. That's the wallet. And I really don't have any cards in it. I have all the cards that's in the wallet. But I have this. This is the coin pocket. That's a coin area. You keep coins there. But I don't really use coins much now. So if I have any coins, I will keep them in the car. But in the coins pocket here, that's where I keep the Victorinox Compact. As you see, you might want to clean this pocket, because if you use the coins in it, it might turn greenish, but I didn't really clean it much. That's the Compact. Maybe I'll clean it now. Just give it a bit of a wipe. You can't really remove the green tint from the coins. Maybe only if you try to wash it, but then it's a long story. So that's the Victorinox Compact. There's a bit of some cloth pieces of fabric on this side, but it's nothing, it's not a problem. Could get a little bit scratched, but this also doesn't matter. I mean, these scales, they will get scratched in any way. Could try to wipe them. So that's the Victorinox Compact. Don't know, I think here it was from when I had it in the bag, in the jeans. I'm not sure, but it has a miniature screwdriver. This could be really useful for really tiny, as a tiny tool. I always don't like it when this happens, when this ring goes like that. It has the knife. It has the scissors. This is a combination of a can opener and a prying tool. This could be a screwdriver, cap lifter, and can opener at the same time. Interesting. and you have the scissors, and it's only 2 layers, so in 2 layers you get scissors. So it's a pretty big deal actually to have scissors also in such a small knife. And you also get a hook, and I added this little magnet here. I will put links in the description on the size of this magnet and where to buy it from. I'll put Amazon links. Also a link on how to get it from headphones. Also how to get it from small old headphones. Yeah, this goes perfectly there in the hook. Fits pretty well there. Just to be careful when closing it, that it doesn't fly away, it's still there. So that's the Compact, and it goes inside the wallet like this. I put it here. I don't have any coins there, and I'll try to clean up this pocket a little bit. Remove any debris. Keep this pocket clean and nothing else there. And I like to put it, oh, and I forgot to show you also that the Compact has the usual toothpick and tweezers. These tweezers are really useful to remove needles, like cactus needles, from the hands. And there is one more thing here. The Compact also has a pressurized pen, so you can write things. But when removing it, be careful that you don't do like I did, to make a bit of a dent here, not to put pressure on the side. So you can write things with it. And it goes back there. So all these things, they can fit in the wallet in the 2-layer pocket knife. And if you want it to be even more compact, you can actually remove the scales of the Compact. If you remove the scales, you lose these accessories, these scales, accessories, the toothpick, tweezers, and the pen. So I decided to keep it as it is. It's also more convenient to use it when using the knife, to have the handle on it, rounded edges, so there is no sharp edges on the hand when cutting some food or anything like this. This is really perfect to cut any food you have. You make a picnic, you make a sandwich outside. This is really ideal. The most useful tools here are the scissors and the blade, the main blade. So I put it here in the wallet. So it goes back in the wallet here. So this is the coin area, and I keep it behind the fold, right there. Behind the fold, close it. The wallet is closed. If it seems like it will not fit, really put it in the wallet and it will adjust to the shape of your pocket knife there. Like this, you can have a bonus tip that you can use your phone. When you have your wallet like this, you can actually get a bonus as using it as a stand, so you can keep your phone on it like this. You can do this with the wallet even if it doesn't have the pocket knife inside. It's not too thick, that's why 2 layers is that's the maximum, I think, to go for this. If it's 3 layers, it gets really too much. Like this, it's very easy to carry around, and you always have all those tools inside here. An extra thing to also have in your wallet is to have an actual pen. I know there is a pen in the Victorinox Compact, but I also have here, I have this, just a pen reserve, and I can use this to write something if I needed to. I have some post-it notes, tiny post-it notes. And I have this spring. This is a spring from a pen, but you can use this to fix a USB cable that has a problem next to the connector. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have videos about this to fix the cables with the spring from a pen, from just a simple pen. So this is, I'll put it back. I'll put it back the other way so the spring doesn't go away. And the notes like that. Another thing you might want to add to your wallet is one of these cards. I made a video about it. You can use one of these cards also. You can put extra cloth tape here, or duct tape, or even gaffer's tape. I have the gaffer's tape, which is really good, but the cloth tape is pretty simple, really good also. And electrical tape. You can label something very quickly with those post-its and the pen, or you can use the electrical label. You can use the electrical tape as a label and you write with the pen on it. I also have the scotch tape as transparent tape. You can write on the label and then place the scotch tape over the post-it, and it makes it waterproof. And you can even attach it somewhere. So this one is actually just a simple card. It can go right inside here, or I could put it in there. It can go really anywhere. So now all these things now and the card, I keep the pen on the bottom side here below, and then that above there, so it's reducing the size of it, so it's not too much. I try to keep the minimum amount of money and receipts in the wallet, so whenever I have few receipts, I put them somewhere else. I don't keep them in the wallet for too long. The most important thing about having the wallet is to have some money with you, cash. But now these days you could actually have cash in a small pocket that goes somewhere in your phone case. You could even put 50 euro. You could even put a 50 euro banknote at the back of the phone in the phone case. So maybe a wallet these days is not such a important thing to have, or maybe it's better to have one of those slim wallets. If you don't have a slim wallet and you still use this old style wallet like that, where it's the bulky one, you can keep a pocket knife in it and a card with tape and a pen for in case you need it. I needed the compact to make a little bit of a picnic, and that was perfect. I could cut bread, I could cut salami and cheese very, very easily. Thanks for watching.